Here we have the Orion Motortech 22-piece master ball joint press and lower ball joint removal kit. Packaged neatly inside this rugged case, you'll find 9 adapters, 1 center rod, a solid hefty C-frame, 1 install adapter, 1 install cup, 1 install cup adapter, 1 receiving cup, 3 receiving tubes, 1 removal adapter, 1 jack screw, and 1 sleeve. This kit can accommodate most make and model vehicles for nearly every year, both foreign and domestic. And if red's not your color, we got it in blue too. When I'm working on customer vehicles, I'm a firm believer in having the right tool for the job. It not only makes good business sense, it just makes good old plain common sense too. I've spent more than my fair share of time trying to muscle loose ball joints using everything from hammers to pry bars, but not anymore. With this kit from Orion Motortech, I can get the job done quick and easy. Take a look at this knuckle I removed from a customer's 2006 Ford Econoline van. Watch how the removal tool makes quick work of this ball joint. First, remove the lock ring. Next, remove the grease fitting. After installing the jack screw into the C-frame, locate the appropriate receiving tube as well as removal adapter. Carefully align the pieces appropriately over the ball joint. Lastly, tighten down on the jack screw and watch as the ball joint slides out quickly and easily. It's just that easy. The Orion Motortech 22-piece master ball joint press and lower ball joint removal kit. The right tool for the job.